Video number 46, polynomials. We're going to find the zeros and the x-intercepts for this polynomial p of x. Well, if we take a look here, we're already in factored form. We have the four polynomials here that make up this large polynomial that could potentially give us a 0, right? If x was 5, the whole thing here is 0. If x is -6, this entire polynomial is 0. So we already have those two zeros solved. Now, if x squared plus 9 is 0, this also zeroes out the piece of p of x. So now we're going to subtract 9 on both sides. We're going to get plus or minus 3i. If you use complex numbers, you may need to go back and visit the complex numbers video to check this out. Now, over here, we're actually going to complete the square. We're going to add 25 to both sides because 10 divided by 2 squared is 25. We're going to get a 23 when you subtract 2 on both sides because we're going to use this perfect square trinomial to get x minus 5 squared. Square root of both sides gives you plus or minus root 23. Then we're going to add 5. We get 5 plus or minus root 23. So, now here's what's cool about this. If you go back to p of x, notice the degree. 1, 2, excuse me, I'm sorry, 1. This actually counts as degree 2. So this is 3, degree 3, degree 5, degree 7. So you could have a total of 7 zeros or less. Now this would be -6 multiplicity 2, which means there are 2 zeros at that -6. So what we end up with here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Notice how the degree was the 7th power. So you have 7 zeros, okay, even though only 2 of them are x-intercepts. So there's only 2 x-intercepts, even though there are a total of 7 zeros. All right. Any questions or concerns, please do send me an email. And of course, good times.